Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Sonali Kwaekar. In today's class, we will study about admission of a partner, which are some basic terms which you have to study under admission of a partner. So let's get started. So first, let us study the meaning of admission of a partner. Admission of a partner is nothing but, suppose there are two partners A and B. These are known as old partners. And one new partner, that is C, will enter into the business. He is known as new partner. This process is called as admission of a partner. When a new partner will enter into the business of a old partner A and B, that is known as admission of a partner. Suppose the profit of old partners, that is A and B, was 90%. How you will distribute it? 45% for A and 45% for B equally. Suppose a new partner C will enter into the business. So this profit have to be divided between all three partners. So how you will divide it? It will be 30% for A and 30% for B and 30% for C. So 15% of A profit and 15% of B profit is shared to C partner. So, or sacrificed to C partner. So that process is known as admission of a partner, where the old partner will sacrifice their part of share to the new partner. So this whole process is known as admission of a partner. So next, let us study about new profit sharing ratio. New profit sharing ratio means when suppose there are two partners A and B. These are known as old partner. They have a share, that is 3:2. And all of a sudden a new partner will enter into the business, that is C. So now the shares will be 3:2 will be the old partner share and C will bring one share. So the new profit sharing ratio will be 3:2:1. So this is known as new profit sharing ratio. When new partner enter into the business, the total share, that is of A, B and C, that is 3:2:1, this is known as new profit sharing ratio. So how it is calculated? There are two cases which we have to study while calculating the new profit sharing ratio. So the first case which we study under new profit sharing ratio is when information about sacrifice is given. So in this case, how the new profit sharing ratio will be calculated? So let us take an example. Suppose there are two partners, Ashu and Nitu, and their shares is 3:2. Jyoti is admitted for 1/5 share which she acquired from Ashu. So in this case, how the new profit sharing ratio is calculated? So these are the old partners. Their shares is 3:2. Jyoti is admitted, that is new partner, with 1/5 share which she acquired from Ashu completely. So in this case, the new profit sharing ratio will be new share of Ashu. So old share was 3/5 minus how much she has acquired from Ashu, 1/5 share, the new partner. So that you have to minus. So this will be 2/5 of Ashu. Second partner Nitu, their share, old share was 2/5 and the share acquired by Jyoti was nil, as she acquired completely the 1/5 share from Ashu. So this will be 2/5. And of new partner, that is Jyoti, will be 1/5. You have to always remember the denominator value should always be equal. If it is not equal, we have to make it equal. So here these are all the denominators are equal, 5, 5, 5. So the new profit sharing ratio will be 2:1. So this is new share of Ashu, Nitu and Jyoti. So when the information about sacrifice is given, so they have said they have sacrificed 1/5 share, new partner has sacrificed 1/5 share from the old partner. So in this case, the new share will be calculated in this way. So next is case 2, that is when information about sacrifice is not given. So let us understand this with an example. Suppose there are two partners A and B, their share was 3:2 and C is admitted for 1/3 share. So in this case, how the new share will be calculated? So as they have not mentioned the sacrifice ratio, we have to assume let the share be 1. As new partner share was 1/3, the remaining share will be 1 minus 1/3, that is 2/3. This means that suppose there were 3 parts, right? Here it is 3. So suppose there were 3 parts. So in this, C says that his part was 1/3. So this part was of C. So this remaining part will be 2/3. This will be of whom? The old partners, that is A and B. So this share we have to distribute between the old partners in their old profit sharing ratio. So of A it will be 2/3 into how much share it is of A? 3/5. So it is 6/15. Of B 2/3 into the share was 2/5. This is 4/15. And of C it's already given 1/3. So here you see the denominator are not equal. So you have to make it equal. How you make it? How you make this 3 is equal to 15? You have to multiply it by 5. So that is 5/15. So your new profit sharing ratio will be how much? 6:4:5. So this is your new profit sharing ratio when the sacrifice shares are not given. So next let us study about sacrifice ratio. Sacrifice ratio means it is the part of profit which will be distributed by the old partners to the new partners. So let us understand this with an example. Suppose there are two partners A and B, and all of a sudden a new partner enters into the business. These are the old partners and this is C is the new partner. So what A and B has to do? Either A or either B or both the partner have to share a part of profit. To whom? New partner. So that process of sharing a part of profit to new partner is called as sacrifice ratio or sacrifice share. So in this also we have to study two cases. So let us study them one by one. So the first case is if new share ratio is given, how the sacrifice ratio will be calculated. So let us understand this with an example. Suppose there are two partners A and B. Their share was 3:2. C is admitted into the business. Then the new share will be A:B:C. That is 4:3:3. So in this case, how the sacrifice ratio will be calculated? So as we know, sacrifice ratio will be calculated of whom? Only of the old partner. Why? The share will be sacrificed only by the old partners, not by the new partner. So sacrifice share of A will be old share, that is 3/5, minus the new share, that is 4/10. After taking LCM, that is 10, it will be 6 minus 4, that is 2/10 of A. Then of B, old share is 2/5, new share is 3/10. After taking LCM, that is 10, 2 2s are 4, 3, that is 4 minus 3 is 1, 1/10. So lastly, the sacrifice ratio of A is to B will be, the denominators are equal, 2 is to 1. So this is your sacrifice ratio of old partner, that is 2 is to 1, when the new ratio is given in the question. Case 2 is if new profit sharing ratio is not given. So in that case, how the sacrifice ratio will be calculated. So let us understand this with an example. Suppose there are two partners A and B, their share was 3 is to 1. C is admitted. In this case, how the sacrifice ratio will be calculated. So when in the question it is not mentioned the new profit sharing ratio, we have to assume that the sacrifice ratio or share is equal to old share. So whatever the share of A and B was at the beginning, that is 3 is to 1, old share, that itself is the sacrifice share. So it will be A is to B, that is equal to 3 is to 1. As the old share of A and B was 3 is to 1 and they have not mentioned the new profit sharing ratio and C is admitted. So the sacrifice ratio will be equal to the old share, that is 3 is to 1. So this is case 2. So at the end, once we have studied the cases under net profit sharing ratio and sacrifice ratio, let us just brief about the formula which we have applied while calculating the new profit sharing ratio and sacrifice ratio. So the first formula is for new profit sharing ratio, that is old share minus share sacrifice. So old share means the partner's old partner, that is suppose the partner was A and B, their share we have to minus it from the share which the old partners have sacrificed to the new partner. So that is the formula for new share. Next is about sacrifice share. Sacrifice share formula is old share minus new share, where the old partner, that is A and B, that share we have to minus it from the new partner, that is when the new partner enter into the business, what was the new share, that we have to minus. So that remaining amount will be sacrifice share. So this is the formula for sacrifice share. That's all for today. I hope this class was helpful for the students to understand the difference between new profit sharing ratio and sacrifice ratio and how it is calculated under admission of a partner. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any session. Keep studying, stay focused. See you in the next class.